Okay, the last thing I want to show you in this video is how to write the end behavior correctly. So look at this table right here and on my side on the top right, and it tells you basically how to write the end behavior correctly, what each of the things in our end behavior mean, okay? So left side, we always write it like that, and right side, we always write it like that. Up and down, this is up, this is down. So left side, we write x approaches negative infinity. The arrow means approaches. And that makes sense, right? X is the one that moves horizontally to the negative infinity, and that means goes to the left. X is going to the left. Right side, x is going to the right, positive infinity. Up, f of x, or y, sometimes we just write y, f of x approaches positive infinity. That means it's going up. Y is going up. Down, y is going left, negative infinity. That's how we say the four directions in our end behavior algebraically. Okay, so now when we apply all of them, first of all, make a correction here. This one should say negative infinity, not positive infinity, so fix that. And now it makes sense. The end behavior up, up means that on the left side, it's up, and on the right side, it's up, right? So the first thing we say is left, and then we say on the left, it goes up. Then we say on the right, it goes up. So first thing we say is left as x approaches negative infinity. Why x? Because x is the one that goes horizontally, okay? We always do put the word as in front of each one, okay, to start the sentence, basically. You're writing a sentence. As x approaches negative infinity, that means left, y is approaching positive infinity, or f of x is approaching positive infinity. That means up. So on the left, it goes up. On the right, as x approaches positive infinity, that means right, y approaches positive infinity, that means up. On the right, it goes up. On the left, it goes up. On the right, it goes up. This is just the way we say those words, those directions algebraically. Watch, let's try for this one. Down, up. That means that on the left, it goes down, and on the right, it goes up. First, I'm going to write it in words. Left goes down. Right goes up. That's in words, all right? On the left, it goes down. On the right, it goes up. Now let's put it in the correct algebraic form, okay? So left goes down. Left, as x approaches negative infinity, that's left. X, make sure it says x, not f of x, and make sure it says negative infinity because that's left. Down, f of x, or y, approaches negative infinity. Why negative? Because it's down. Y goes down. Right, up. Let me see where I can write that one. Usually we write it right below, but I know I have no more space right here. So I'm going to write it right up. I'm going to write it right here on this space over here. Right is going up, right? So to say right, I say as x approaches positive infinity, that's right. F of x approaches positive infinity, that's up. On the right, it goes up. Hopefully that makes some sense to you guys. Watch, let's do it again. Look at this one right here. The end behavior of this one is up, down, right? So on the left, it goes up. On the right, it goes down. To say on the left, it goes up, I'm going to say as x approaches negative infinity, that means left. F of x approaches positive infinity. On the left, it goes up. Now to say on the right, it goes down, as x approaches positive infinity, that means right. F of x approaches negative infinity. That means down. Let's do it again. Right here. This one is up and up. No, never mind. We already have up and up. It's right there, right? Let's look for another one. On the back side, the number 2b, down, down. That's down, down, right? So down, down. On the left, it goes down. On the right, it goes down. I'm going to write As x approaches negative infinity, that means left, f of x approaches negative infinity, that means down. On the left, it's going down. Now on the right, as x approaches positive infinity, that means right, f of x approaches negative infinity, that means down. On the left, it's going down. On the right, it's also going down. Done. Good luck on your test. Review, study.